In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert Microsoft Forms in PowerPoint so you can make your presentations more interactive and engaging. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect an online form to your slides and use it smoothly during a presentation. Let's start right from the beginning on your computer. First, open PowerPoint on your PC. You can do this from your Start menu, your desktop shortcut, or however you usually launch it. Once PowerPoint is open, either create a new blank presentation or open an existing one where you want to add the form. It's usually helpful to decide ahead of time which slide will hold your form so you know exactly where you're working. Now, with your presentation open, look toward the top of the screen at the ribbon and click on the Home tab if it's not already selected. The Home tab is where many of the basic tools live, but it also gives you access to add-ins. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may see a section or button labeled Add-ins, Get Add-ins, or sometimes Store. That's where we're headed. Click that option to open the add-ins window. In the add-ins window, you'll find a search box. Click into that search bar and type Microsoft Form. Give it a moment to search and then look for the Microsoft Forms add-in in the results. Make sure you're choosing the official Microsoft Forms option. Once you see it, select it and then follow the prompt to add or insert it into PowerPoint. After it's added, PowerPoint may show you a small panel or placeholder on your slide where the form content will appear. Before you go further, you'll want to have your form ready. Open a web browser and go to Microsoft Forms. Then either create a new form or locate the one you've already built. When your form looks the way you want, copy its link. Usually you can find this by clicking on the Share button in Microsoft Forms and copying the provided URL. Make sure you're copying the link intended for collecting responses, not just a preview link. Now go back to PowerPoint. When the Microsoft Forms add-in is active on your slide, it will give you a place to paste that link. Click into the field that asks for your form link and paste the URL you just copied from Microsoft Forms. Once you've done that, the add-in will connect to your form and prepare it to display inside your slide. After pasting the link, confirm or insert it depending on what the button is labeled. PowerPoint will then embed your Microsoft form directly into the slide you're working on. You should see a live view or a frame showing the form layout. You can usually resize this frame just like any other object on the slide by dragging the corners so it fits neatly within your slide design. From here, you're ready to use the form during your presentation. When you present the slideshow, navigate to that slide and your audience should be able to see the form content. If your setup allows, participants can use their own devices to respond through the link, and you can switch back to Microsoft Forms in your browser to monitor responses in real time. That's all there is to it. By opening PowerPoint, using the add-ins feature to find Microsoft Forms, selecting your form, pasting the link, and inserting it into the slide, you've turned a regular presentation into an interactive experience.